friends, today I am going to start number sense. This is the first chapter of grade 6. So let's start. We will see what we have to cover today. So today's objective are international and Indian system of numeration. Second objective is questions based on international system of numeration. First we will see what is international system as well as Indian system of numeration. Then we will solve few questions based on that. So friends, you can see on my screen international system of numeration. This is a place value chart. On this place value chart, here's place value chart. This is ones, then thousands, millions. Ones, it has three brick, one, tens, hundred. Then in thousands it has three parts: thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then million has also three parts: million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is my place value chart in international system of numeration. Let's see what happens in Indian system of numeration. So students, you can see here this is my Indian system of numeration. Here it is divided into one, thousands, lakhs, crores. So once it has one, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is my Indian system of numeration. So in ones, how you will write? 1, tens means 10, hundreds means 100, 100, 1,000 means 1,000, 10,000 it is written 1 4 times 0. We will see how to represent number in international system of numeration as well as in Indian system of numeration. Yes students, these symbols O, T, H, TH, TTH, L, TL, C, TC, TC for 10 crores. This is very important. You need to understand these symbols. Same way we can see for international system of numeration. This will be ones. O, it is denoted by O. Tens is denoted by T. 100 denoted by capital H. Then 1,000 TH. 10,000 TTH. 100,000 HTH. Then million will be denoted as M. 10 million will be denoted as TM. And 100 million will be denoted as HM. Okay. So let's see, try this question. What is that? Here on the screen you can see 965040. You have to write this number in international system of numeration. So in international system of numeration, first of all, group this number in a group of 3 like this. In international system, we start grouping the number from right in the group of 3. That is called period. We put comma or space after each period to make the number easily readable. So let's see. I have written 3 groups: 0, 4, 0, comma, 5, 6, 9. You have to start from right. So how I will read this? This is 965,040. I repeat myself, 965,040. Write the name in words. So this is the number displayed on my screen. You have to write the name in words. How will you write? So you can see here it is already grouped in 3 parts. Okay, it is already divided into group of 3. So this is given in international system of numeration. How will you read and how will you write this number in words? This is 652,190 million. 652,190. Let's solve this. How many hundreds make 1 million? So first of all, tell me, in 1 million how many zeros are there? In 1 million you can see 1 6 times zeros, which is equal to 1 million. This is first is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So 1 million is equal to 1 and 6 zeros. So we have to find out how many hundreds make 1 million. So 1 million divided by 100. So 1 million divided by 100 will make 10,000. So what do you mean by that? Meaning is 10,000 million makes 10,000 hundreds make 1 million. 10,000 hundred makes 1 million. Now similarly another question. How many 10,000 make 1 million? How many 10,000 make 1 million? So you know 1 million equal to 1, 6 times zeros. So here I have written 1, 6 times zeros divided by 10,000. I ask how many 10,000. So I have to divide by 10,000. So 1 million divided by 10,000 is equal to 100. So 1 million is equal to 100 times 10,000. Means 100 10,000 will make 1 million. Write these numbers. You will need to add some zeros. So I am writing few numbers. You have to write in. These numbers are given in words. You have to write in terms of numbers. So here you can see that 372,932,002. So 372 million. How you will write? First of all, write down 372 million. So for million 6 zeros. Just now I said. For 1,000 triple zeros plus 2. Now add all three. You will get 372,932,002. Now solve this question. Just note down this question and try to solve. Here it is given 372,150,000. And the second question is 5 plus 500,000. How will you write that? So you can see here on my screen 372 million is nothing but 372 000 means 6 times zeros, then plus 150 you will write and just add, you will get 372,150,000. Just remember this, I am writing here this in International System of Numeration. So after each 3 digit you have to put comma. Now 5 plus 500,000. First of all write down 500,000, 500 and 3 zeros plus 5 and then add, you will get 500,005. Now comes to partition, expand the following number. So here on screen you can see that some number is given. That number is 3084297. So first of all make a group of 3 and then we will expand that. So 3,084,297. This is a group of 3. Student, you have to start from right side to make group of 3. Otherwise it can become wrong. So here you can see that the position of 3 is million. So 3 times million plus 0 times these numbers will be 0. So I have not included that. Now 8 times. Now count how many digits are there after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 1 and 4 times 0. Then 4 and after that count how many digits are there? 3. So 1000 plus 200 plus 9 times 10 plus 7. When you will simplify, you will get this. Just multiply this. So 3,080,000 4,200 plus 90 plus 7. Now you have to try this question. Just note down this question and try to solve. So first method is first make a group of 3 and then write down the number in words. So I have made in a group of 3, then the number will be like this. You have to solve and just match your answer. You can pause your video and just